everyone, Heather here at BMW of Bridgewater, and guess what? We are offering a complimentary summer service maintenance clinic. It's going to be running from now until August 31st. So why don't you follow me and I'll show you all the services this clinic has to offer. We're going to be offering a multi-point inspection. We're going to be checking the AC temperature. Next, we're going to check your battery. We're also going to check your brakes. We're going to check your tire pressure. We're going to check your wipers. And we're going to top off all your fluids. And the best part about this is you will receive 15% off on all recommended services. You will also receive a video of your technician's findings. And if you're within 20 miles radius of the dealership, we will pick up and drop off your vehicle to you. So why don't you call 908-287-1800 to schedule your appointment today, or you can click the link below and schedule your appointment 24/7.